Hello. If there was an instrument in your hand with which just by moving your wrist left, right, up and down, you would have been able to help millions of visually impaired people around the world, wouldn't you call that instrument a magic wand? Your optometrist, the primary healthcare practitioner of the eye and the visual system, has a magic wand like this, and they call it a retinoscope. As per WHO, around 88.4 million people around the world has a visual impairment owing to uncorrected refractive error. And around 94 million people in the world has visual impairment owing to cataract. And both of these are avoidable. Your optometrist, with the help of this magic wand called as a retinoscope, can correct any refractive error. They can also detect and diagnose the type of cataract and determine the location of the cataract as well. So next time you are visiting your optometrist for your regular eye checkup and you see this magic wand in their hand, do give it a smile. And remember, it's called as a retinoscope. And also remember, yearly eye test is clearly the best. Thank you.